Hi, this is In the Wild with Chris. For many years I've been using my GoPro rig for filming when I'm out hiking out in the wild. And a while ago I started thinking about getting a drone to get some other kind of angles for my video and for my photos. So a few months ago I got myself a DJI Mini 2 drone. It's a very nice drone. It's very light, easy to handle and fly, and quick to deploy. Perfect drone for when I'm out in the wild. Now the DJI Mini 2 drone has got a 12 megapixel camera. It shoots video in 4K up to 30 frames per second. The drone itself weighs less than 250 grams, and with the 3 batteries, a 2-way charger, the remote control, it just weighs in at less than 900 grams. A perfect carry on long hikes. It has a maximum flight time on a battery of 31 minutes, but I've flown it 25 in real conditions. When we're talking about range and altitude, yes, this can fly up to 500 meters in altitude. Distance for me, it's said to be able to fly 5 kilometers. But to be realistic and keep it legal, altitude-wise, I go up to 120 meters, and sidewise you have to keep it in a visual line of sight. The pros with this drone is that it's very lightweight, it's easy to carry, it's very quick to deploy, it's easy to learn how to fly it, and it has a very good flight time, almost half an hour on a battery. The only con that I find with it is that it lacks any good auto flight modes. This is due to that it doesn't have any side sensors. The drone is really easy to deploy, and it's so compactable that I can actually fit it in my pockets here. The drone comes with these little protectors to keep the propeller blades protected and keep the camera and the gimbal safe. That's deploying the drone. Now the remote control, you screw on the joysticks, attach your phone. It works with both iPhones and Android systems. And there, deployed and ready to fly. And this you can do while still being on the move, actually. So, in conclusion, I'm very happy with this purchase. This drone is lightweight, easy to deploy, and easy to fly, especially for me as a beginner with drones. And yeah, I can recommend this for hiking and being out in the wild. And for such a small drone, it takes very good video and photos. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.